How to join with double crochet. Make a slip knot on a hook with a new color. Yarn over and grab your yarn with your middle and ring fingers so it doesn't slip off your hook. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the 2 remaining loops. Work the remaining stitches as usual. Joining with a double crochet is very useful when you want to add a row of double crochets in a new color. It gives a smooth finish and you don't need to chain in the beginning of that row. Using this technique, you can join your stitches anywhere you like, not just in the beginning of the row. Choose the stitch where you would like to start and follow the same steps as before.